Hello, hello, look at those dumplings and more in the freezer. Let me show you my dumpling system and my magic jar. 1 hour of the work today means dinner is ready in 8 minutes on Tuesday or any day. Today I give you my full dumpling system. What's the difference to use the store-bought wrappers versus homemade? Which one you make dumplings actually better for the freezer? Let's get started. 开始。You need to use the high gluten flour. I got this dough maker. You just put the flour, salt, slowly add water. Just turn it on, walk away, drink your tea. This is so easy. You can use your stand mixer, make the dough, or if you want to exercise, making the dough like my grandma, the traditional way, in a ball. So save your gym membership. And after you can see the dough become a ball, cover your dough with a damp cheesecloth or in a plastic wrap. For this dough maker, I have the cover already on while the dough is resting. And let's make the filling. Today I'm making pork and chive dumplings. This is my family recipe. Chives, that's what I called lazy mom's best friend because you just chop them, put it in, mix with your meat. No squeezing. They are very forgiving. If you use cabbage, there are extra steps. You have to salt them, squeeze the water. Also, you want to add some green onions too. I got 2 different kinds of ground pork. We call 三肥七瘦. 30% of fatty pork, 70% of lean pork. If it's too lean, that's just too dry. The fat, it's the flavor. Look, here's all the ingredients you need for the filling. And of course, this dumpling recipe is from my first cookbook. My second book is here too, if you want some wellness recipes. Then we put in the stand mixer, or you can mix by your hand. Of course, Chinese soy sauce. I measure with my Chinese eyeballs. And next, Chinese cooking wine, sesame oil. If you're mixing by hand, I always say one direction, never go back. Don't go back. Break your protein because now the protein, the pork, binds together. When your arms get tired, good. That means this is working. After everything's mixed, you can put it in the fridge. Then later it will be easier to wrap your dumplings. Now the dough is ready. After you rest the dough, they become very soft and silky. Oh, and very smooth. Most people scared of making the wrapper from scratch, but you're missing out. Handmade wrappers are very soft, pillowy, stretchy. Even you never wrap a dumpling before, this is very forgiving. This can hold the dumpling filling like a hug. You don't need the water to seal because the store-bought wrapper tend to very dry, very hard to fold them. And half we roll into like a big rope, kind of like a long snake. Now we divide each wrapper into 8 grams to, sometimes I do more, 15 grams or double. Depends how big the dumpling you want to make. Bigger one, small one, it's up to you. It's your wrapper. Sprinkle some flour. We take a piece of dough, press down into a little disc. The right hand rolling, left hand turning. The edge is thin, the center still thick because you want the center to hold the filling, the edge to do the folds. It's a fun activity you can do with your kids. If your shape is not a round shape, it doesn't matter. When you eat in your stomach, it's the same. Of course, I use store-bought dumpling wrapper too. Look at this. The homemade, the store-bought. Yeah, since they are cut by the machine, they are very like round. Your wrapper has some personality, just like you. Dust some flour on your homemade wrapper, then put it on top so they won't stick. You can make a stack of those. I use store-bought too. They are much drier. Actually, it's better for the freezer because those homemade wrappers, you can see that they are very moist. The better you fresh. They have more water in there. When you freeze them, sometimes you have too much water in your dough, then your dumpling crack. Store-bought wrappers, they're already drier and your dumpling won't crack. My grandma, my mom always wrap dumpling this way. Everybody has their own ways, but this is my way for you. We take about 1 tablespoon of dumpling filling, put it in the middle. See, the homemade wrapper is very stretchy. We don't need any water. We just pinch. The edges close. Look at that. Pay attention. Put the dumpling between your thumb and index finger. Cross the finger here. Then we squeeze the belly out. Look at that. Big belly dumpling. Here it is. Easy. Let's all practice, right? It's like you think 100's a lot. It's like a meditation. I put my podcast or music on, listen to some crime cases, wrap my dumpling, done in 20, 30 minutes. So relaxing. I'll show you with the store-bought wrapper. They are not very stretchy, they're very dry. We dip this little cup in the water. If you wrap 100, it's really gonna help speed up. Water on, same thing. We put the filling in the middle. But the store-bought, sometimes you squeeze, then the belly is broken. Be careful with that, they are very dry. This homemade wrapper, the store-bought, look at that. I like them both. But for a busy weekend, I don't have time to make the wrappers. I just use store-bought. This is gonna save me 45 to 50 minutes just waiting for the dough. Maybe for Chinese New Year, you have to make once. Let me know if you make it like a special little treat, right? Sprinkle some flour on the tray, then put the dumpling on the tray lined up. Don't let them touch each other so they won't stick together. Then we put this tray in the freezer at least a couple hours. When they are hardened, then we put them in the freezer bags to save space. But if you have bigger freezer, I like to use these containers. Dust some flour, then we line up the dumpling in a container, stack them up, organized. And this smaller one also has a lid. Close this, put this right into your freezer. Now the soul of the whole system, my magic sauce jar. This is gonna live in the fridge for the week. First, we have the garlic chopped in here. Add some chili oil, Sichuan peppercorn oil, numbing sensation. Of course, soy sauce again. Just are making it for the week. It's a lot of soy sauce. And Chinese vinegar. Ooh, so good. Little bit of sugar to balance the taste, and salt. Then we mix. If you want, maybe chicken powder or MSG. Add some more umami flavor. Garlicky fragrance. Smells so good. 150 dumplings. For us, family of 5, it's like at least 3 meals. But I always know I have these. It's like a backup plan when I'm tired, I don't want to cook. There are always dumplings waiting for me. Dinner's ready in 8 minutes. Easy, easy. So look on behind me. I'm still packing. We are flying to Minneapolis tomorrow. Don't have time to cook tonight, so I have my frozen dumpling ready in the freezer. Take out my sauce first. Add that in the freezer. I'm so glad I have this freezer stash waiting for me. I like to add a little salt for a smooth skin. Don't put too many dumplings in one pot. Even dumplings need their own space. When dumplings are boiling, we add cold water. We do this 2 times to ensure inside is cooked outside. It's not mushy. I put this in 2 plates so it can cool real faster. 吃饺子了，快点来，宝宝。然后我的佐料，I don't have the milk chili sauce. Yeah, I do. I take for my pickles. I can pack this on the airplane. I can eat as a snack. So how we eat in my family in China is we make a big bowl of sauce like this. Then we scoop out, give everyone in their little dipping bowl, like something like this. We dip the dumpling in the sauce. You can pour over the sauce on the top, it's fine, but I like to dip. We like to dip. So the flavor is more concentrated. A lot of the sauce flavor in here. You can put the frozen dumpling pan fry, make this fancy lacy skirt like this video. Check out this Costco video. Or you can steam those. But for me, easy way, I just boil them. Okay, let's try. You can see this one. This one's a homemade wrapper. You can see a little bit thicker. We'll dip in, take a bite. I'm gonna tell you which one's better. Look at inside. The homemade wrapper tastes so smooth with texture. So good. And store-bought wrapper, you can see they are thinner. You can even see the filling from outside. We dip in and see. Those two inside the filling is the same, but the wrapper, of course. And the homemade wrapper has this flavor in there. I can't describe this. Store-bought, I use it all the time too. The store one is almost the same, but not there. This wrapper is a little drier. Both are very good. That's why I make this when I'm tired. I don't have to worry about dinner. 8 minutes, dinner's ready. This beat any restaurant or takeout. And it's healthier. You know the ingredients, you make it, so good. Hello, hello. This one is for you. Look at this. This is dinner. This whole bowl of dumplings is dinner to me. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want more easy Chinese food, solve your dinner problem, and the shopping guide, what to buy in Asian market, Costco. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. 我们下次再见。